April 30th trading day starts in 1 minute. Let's see where the SPY opens. We have a little bit of a range set pre-market. My focus is APA CCL in this order. We'll see what triggers. I'm not interested in that. Let's check these spreads. What just happened? Did I accidentally sell something? Oops. Whatever. I forgot I had an order open. What did I do? It's funny. Oh Jesus, I got a shit fill on that. I wasn't paying attention. Damn it. It's a big mistake. Whatever. I'm not used to recording myself and also APA probably had a shit fill, but I wanted out. No, wait. I paid 170 for that fill, and I mean it's there now, but there was a much better spread to grab. screen recording is crushing my computer power. Computing power. A lot of lines here. Jesus. That line needs to go. That line needs to go. How did I not get rid of all these lines pre? The fuck would I do with snap? Man, I accidentally had a joke order filled or whatever. Oh, it's running. Yeah, I'm gonna hang on to snap. Get rid of all of. Good God, this is the last time I screen cap. This is too slow. And 1750 level here on Snap was huge yesterday. It was like 1500. I'm not even don't even know the active trader up, but CCL. I probably just want to close the spread here. Yeah. You're gonna get a great fill on the spread. Jesus. I got a bid out. It's obnoxious. I want no market makers fill my order. Come on. I don't even need to check my VIX position. though I definitely should. Where is it? This is why you just. This is why I bought a 15-minute trend change yesterday, then closed it. Sorry, sold the next strike. Bada bing. So, I'm in profit. I'm good here on VIX. I'm just going to let some levels establish. Definitely have 38 and some change breaks. It'll be a change in sentiment because 38.05 is. Why did I have it as support or resistance? Whatever, dude. If I'm gonna have levels, let me have the right levels, huh? So what's happening? I gotta mute. Who is it? Lori in my head today? Shark Gal Din's down today. I gotta mute so I can talk and spend 11 minutes and tell you what I'm going through. I closed spreads because they were call spreads. I wanted the stocks to continue up and they did not. So I closed them and I got out the what was it the APAs and stuff. I don't care how it bounced, but it broke key levels. I just want to get out. I don't want to deal with that. I want to try and raise capital. Is what I'm interested in doing right now because it wasn't moving in my direction and I had a lot of exposure going on. I didn't know how extreme the sell-off was going to be, nor did you, nor do you. And I need to drop new levels because we are still bear flagging on the SPY and the VIX is bull flagging. So why would I continue to hold long contracts, like a long call spread? It doesn't make sense. Get out, um, take the spread, take whatever premium you can, and go find a new trade, move on, keep swinging. The reason that I did not get out of Dow, one, timing, two, I wasn't getting the fill at 7 cents for these contracts that I wanted to, which is shit. Obviously, I want way more. But I haven't been watching the tape at all. These too many lines on these charts drive me insane, man. The only important lines today are new high and new low. Those are the only levels that currently matter to me. So, I didn't get the fill. I'm hoping there's a decent bid support and that we see some buying, but it's not. Market's weak. We're off 4% already for the day. If I can get a 2-minute tightening range, if this can break above, maybe on a little volume, then I can drop these 6 short calls and stay with the and just ride the long ones. And that is my plan, my thoughts. First, obviously, couple minutes of the day are pretty hectic and wild. If TQ, it's a very simple trading methodology here. If TQ breaks above the day's highs, I buy back this leg. If I have the money, I actually don't have the money to do that right now. But I buy back the leg and I'm long the stock. If it breaks the lows, I close the spread and I move on. That's it. Oh, did you? Huh. VIX here, we got coming back testing. Honestly, at this point, dude, I'm just waiting for alerts to trigger. That's it. VIX set a new high, so I need to drop new levels. the nature of me having just doing this crazy style and crazy spread is yes, my account said $900 yesterday, and it says down 210 today, and but it, we saw crazy overnight gaps. A lot of people had a premium evaporate from them, myself included. We could have saw overnight gaps up, and I would have had a premium increase. It's the nature of it, but the direction and the control. If I want to go long delta, 6 contracts today, I can do it for very cheap. It's like limited risk. And then if the position, let's say delta breaks above the highs, trades up and then breaks that back down, we see some weakness, I just get out of everything and get flat, collect my money, my liquidation value, and move on. Currently, my VIX position put in yesterday as like I mentioned, as an end of the day hedge. Hey, VIX saw a 15-minute trend change. It was very obvious. Everyone saw it, pointed it out, called it out in chat. Broke above here. I bought in. I hit the bid. I didn't want to wait for a 15-minute higher low, and I didn't see the support at 36.50 that I wanted to see, so I got out. However, this morning it gave me a great opportunity to unload the short leg here, and now I'm long 2 contracts of the VIX in the money. Um, so I basically got to buy and sell these today. I'm done day trading, and it is giving me the freedom and everything that I'm looking for. What I'm looking to do now is to raise capital. This net liquidation value, this P&L day fluctuates like crazy, and I'm not worried about it. I'm just worried about my trade execution. What happens when TQ drops to a new level? What happens if TQ breaks above? That's if I do this correctly long enough. Snap gets up here. Uh, these fucking contracts they don't move. I don't know why I own them. And I accidentally sold this to open this morning, so I have to hold it till tomorrow. So I'll sell one leg. I'm gonna put it at like 70. So yeah, I'm gonna sell one long snap contract. Other than that, waiting for Dow to break its morning range, whether it's morning low, morning high, and then I'll make a decision on what to do. Same with TQ. VIX has already had a convincing enough price action for me to go long for it early in the day. If it breaks back down below, I get out. That's it. These levels I think are important to watch on the SPY. And bada bing, bada boom.